How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to 2A News Now. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Troy. And here at 2A News Now, you get your Second Amendment news, straightforward and to the point with no BS added in. We all know that certain people think they're above the law, whether they be a city, state, or federal official, or if they're a police officer or a judge. And I guess this one judge in Detroit thought she was above the law as well. She was arrested at an airport in Michigan, and she was trying to board a plane carrying an unregistered loaded firearm. I don't think anybody should have to register their firearms, but unfortunately in Michigan you have to. And that does nothing to stop crime, because a criminal, of course, is not going to register their firearms. So it's safe to say you shouldn't try to board a plane with an unregistered firearm, especially if you're a judge. Third Circuit Court Judge Cylenthia LaToye Miller was ready to board a Delta Airlines flight to New York's LaGuardia Airport. She's even trying to carry a loaded gun on an airplane going to a place like New York. She's got to be out of her freaking mind. This happened around 9 a.m. on June 8th. Spotted the pistol on the X-ray monitor. When they looked through the judge's purse, they found a Smith Wesson M&P Bodyguard .380 pistol. The airport police took over the investigation. The officer said he cleared the weapon and there was a round in the chamber. And they said the pistol wasn't hidden anywhere in the judge's purse. It was just in the purse. The judge told the officer that she had not registered the firearm yet, and she said the pistol was actually her brother's, who purchased it recently. They said she was under arrest for bringing a loaded firearm into the airport. Here's the thing, the judge was only charged with a misdemeanor, ordinance violation for dangerous weapons, and she was ordered to contact Romulus's 34th District Court within 14 days. But later on, the judge's attorney said the gun belonged to a close friend. So was it hers? Was it her brother's? Or a close friend? But she still might be in some trouble. Because as you know, Michigan has some strict gun laws. They have universal background checks. So was there an illegal transfer of the firearm? Hopefully we'll find out soon. And we all know that gun registration is unconstitutional. But if it's the law in Michigan, if law-abiding citizens are required to follow that law, so should judges. But we can look back in history in Michigan, and there's some other officials that think they're above the law as well. In 2003, the Detroit police chief resigned after he brought an unregistered pistol into the airport when he was trying to fly to a police chief's conference. In Philadelphia, a Wayne County prosecutor, Mike Duggan, who is now Detroit's mayor, charged the police chief with having an unlicensed firearm, which is also a misdemeanor. The police chief pled no contest to the charge and paid a $250 fine. The chief was also fined $300 by the TSA. In 2007, a former chief judge of the 22nd District Court was also stopped at the airport with an unregistered loaded firearm in her carry-on bag. But guess what? Later on, prosecutors decided not to prosecute her because they were unable to prove that she intentionally brought the firearm to the airport. Of course, there was no preferential treatment there, was there? Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about today's video. And I just want to say I appreciate everybody's support with the channel. You guys are always crushing it by liking, sharing, and subscribing and hitting those post notifications. And I'm very grateful that you do so. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you join the over 60,000 subscribers to the channel? And I try to upload a video every single day. But if that doesn't happen, I at least try to upload at least 5 videos a week. And I invite all of you back to watch my next video.